How do you feel after not eating binignit?
We don't have binignit.
One word?
There.
Are
No.
Binignit.
here.
Because
The mall.
Mall
is
Empty.
that
why?
that's little that's
Why?
We
are
Not.
eat.
ting ting
And
Huh? And
that's why we're not eating.
we
Should
eat.
together
now.
And
forever.
So
the largest.
one word.
The
Largest
Part
of
the
eating,
is
binignit.
right? Thank you for the clapping. No. Make it deeper and very profound.
yes.
About life.
Answerable.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you can be any character from a movie or from a series, who would that character be?
If
I
Become
a
very
hot.
movie
character
In
Cagayan
then
I
will
be
the
best
character
in
the
city
of Kaga of
yeah
Oy,
I
will
be
like
Michael
Jordan
who
who flies
flies so
high.
yes because superhero flies. How many bones does a human body have?
we
Surely
Believe
that
the
bones
are
very
many
and
I
have
two
hands
the left
left
and
the right
right the
counting
the
body
bones
in
me
I
will
take
more.
time
Will take more time.
to
Think
and
research
later.
if you were a takoyaki, why?
if
I
a
takoyaki
I
will
never
be
a
takoyaku
because
I
can
talk. I can talk
for
you,
about
me
right?
yes.
Follow-up question, okay.
What is the color of a typhoon?
if
I
Catch.
the
typhoon
I will
color,
I
will
See
the
typhoon
carefully.
because
the
Typhoon
is
color
transparent.
transparent green.
transparency
Transparent D.
Transparency. E.
transparent F
Therefore,
The
typhoon
is
color
transparent
right.
oh.
You're amazed with us. You're amazed. You're so laugh.
all the question we are unanswered.
What is the color of the pambansang cow?
The
Color
Of
the
pambansang
cow
is
kinda
blue
what and
kinda
green
and
slightly
yellow
and
more like
pink
and
very
yellowish.
yeah.
right. Okay, you're amazed. You're so amazed. The laughness. Once again, subscribe there because if you want to ask us, just comment below.
Yeah. If you don't want to subscribe to us, subscribe yourself.
If you want to subscribe, comment here below.
And if you're a subscriber of them, subscribe to me. Go out from them. Unsubscribe to them, okay? And subscribe to me.
If you subscribe to me, unsubscribe from them. And
If you want to like the video, press like and press again.